What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as you can tell, I have a very special guest with me.
Hola.
Her name's Rasputia, and...
Okay, bitch, got the wrong one, though.
No, this is Mitchell. He's my friend.
Hi.
I met him... Where did we meet? I met you at the bar, obviously.
Yeah.
Well, I don't remember, but I met you at the bar.
I'm not drunk, all right? I just have a speech impediment. And a stomach virus. And an inner ear infection.
He works down at the bar down the street. That's how we met, and we've just been friends ever since.
Sure.
You are so rude. You know, if you're gonna be like that, this is how we're gonna start this video. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi, sisters.
No sisters. No. We're doing charity work today. This is a homeless woman.
Help me, I'm poor.
This homeless woman needs some help, so we're gonna beat her face. And let's look at her nails. Let's look at her cute little nails. Yes, press-ons,
Let's
Family
see.
Dollar, Dollar General. I love it. Look at. What'd you get these on sale for?
Oh, bitch, not Dolly General.
Look at my nails, though. My nails is cute, too. Like, I haven't got them done at
But they
all.
whooped.
They are.
Okay, look at that,
my
girl.
cuticles. They're
What's going on?
nasty. So, he doesn't know what we're doing today, and I kind of wanted to surprise him because he literally has no idea, and he's actually a little nervous. Yeah, so I have a one leg up, one leg. I'm gonna have a little bit of an advantage here.
One leg up, one leg down. It don't matter.
My weekend.
Period.
Okay, so we're actually gonna do a 10-minute challenge. I don't know if this is like a real thing, like out there in the YouTube world or beauty world, but we're gonna do a look in 10 minutes.
Like,
And
what kind of look? Like,
So
it
I
don't
think-
matter?
you know how like RuPaul has like a themed like drag challenges and stuff?
Oh,
I feel like we should have a
my.
theme. So I was kind of leaning towards, because we've been watching this show recently and I'm really obsessed with it. We've been watching Sabrina, so I feel like our theme should be something like witches or dark or like, you know, hell, underlord, like maybe just Halloween in general. Something
So
like,
basically, gore. Like horror movie.
yeah, something like scary, something dark and twisted. So I think that's what we're gonna go for. We're gonna go off camera right now. I was gonna time this part, but since he's never done his makeup before, I'm gonna like let it be a little bit more time. We're gonna go off camera. We're gonna pick the palettes that we're gonna use. I literally have all my palettes sitting in front of us, and there's like
A
10 of
lot
them.
of palettes.
So, excuse you, rude.
That's you. That's rude.
So we're gonna go off camera. We're gonna pick our palettes, and then I'm gonna set a timer, and we're gonna have 10 minutes to just bust out a look.
Bust
Ready
out
for the
face
town.
down.
Ready for the town.
Going outside like this.
You do look kind of scary already, huh? You just come out there, hooga booga booga, scaring all the kids. The kukui. They're gonna.
No.
I'm gonna start telling my kids when they're going ready for bed. If you don't get to bed, Rasputin's gonna come for you tonight. They're gonna come for you. He's gonna come for you tonight.
No, Miss Thing.
All right, so we're gonna go off camera. We're gonna pick our palettes, and we're gonna be right back. Ooh, shit! I'm not gonna use this one. This one's like a cheap one, I think. That's why I haven't used
She
it.
said cheap.
Cheap.
Cheap. I'm gonna use this palette and the conspiracy palette.
You haven't even opened it. I didn't know what colors are in
I
there.
already tried it. I seen it.
Oh, well, that's probably why.
That laugh though sound like a
That's why I chase the nieces and nephews when they come up like,
Okay.
Are you using this one or no?
Maybe.
It's a yes or a no.
Yes, bitch.
You're gonna use all three of them?
Yes. What shit is this? Drug Lord. I don't know how people do it. Drug Lord, it sound like a mist of being an agate.
Being a what?
An agate.
A who?
An agate.
What's an agate? Is that like a... I can't even say it. I'm not gonna say that. You know? What's an agate?
I just made it up today.
You're so stupid. I'm like all interested. I'm like, what is
What's
an
an
agate?
agate?
Like, what is that? What do you define agate as?
A drug person.
Like a druggie? Like a crackhead?
Yeah, like a drug head.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go Google that. Maybe it is a word. You thought you made it up, but you really didn't.
Probably.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that.
Me either.
All right, so we picked with the makeup palettes that we're going to use. So I'm going to use the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, this one. And I'm going to use, I feel like, I got the Sabrina palette, and I haven't used it yet, but I do like the colors in it. So I'm going to use this one. So what palettes did you choose?
I'm using the Blue Blood palette.
You can't read now or what?
Girl, don't get me started. If you get me drunk, I'm not here. So, Blue Blood palette. And the Conspiracy palette, Shane Johnson palette. And Jeffrey's new palette that he just made. I can't wait to use this.
What's it called? The Bloodlust. The Bloodlust palette.
I am not here.
I can't believe you're using all those three. But hey, if you got a makeup look in mind, and we kind of already picked our lips, I'm using, as of right now anyways, I might change my mind in the middle of this. I'm using one of Jeffrey's liquid lips, Medusa, and I'm using the NYX glitter goals in the shade Alienated. So those are the two I have right now. I might change my mind in the middle of all of this, so I don't really know. But what did you pick?
I'm picking NYX.
That's what is it?
Oil Spill.
The glitter goals. Okay.
Yeah, that's honey.
Sometimes I don't focus. You don't even worry about it.
But it's black though.
Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're just focusing on our eyes. We're not even gonna do like foundation or anything. It's literally just the eyes. If you want, you can do a highlighter, but it's your look. You can do whatever the hell you want at this point. You can do whatever you want.
Just
so
throw it together.
We have our own mirrors. We're ready.
Jeffy Star mirrors.
I have a timer ready. So we only have 10 minutes. I hope you know. I hope 10 minutes is like not too much, but not like too little. Because at first,
too small.
So at first when I thought about like doing this challenge, I was like, give us 30 minutes, and I'm like, that's hella long. Hella long. It's not gonna be like, no, we gotta be quick.
Yeah, it's like artwork.
Thing on our feet. I'm not good at art. I draw stick figures. But okay, we have a timer. Are you ready?
I used to do that, but not really.
Literally, I'm gonna put a timer, 10 minutes.
I'm feeling opening this up.
Don't cheat. Close it, you cheater.
Oh, bitch. You can't open them?
No, literally, like the only thing I gave us an advantage is like actually getting to pick our palettes and the lips before the timer started. Like, only because you've never done makeup before, and this is my first time doing this kind of challenge, like with somebody. Like I said, I don't know if anybody else has done this, but I kind of made it up in my head, so maybe it might be a regular thing. All right,
okay.
10 minutes. Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1,
go.
10 minutes. Oh my god.
Oh shit, I'm dropping shit.
Oh my god. I don't need this brush. This brush don't need to be here. Get it out the way.
I'm using a Morphe brush M139.
Nobody cares. I need this one. Oh my god, I had it. What was I gonna do? Okay. I'm going with the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, and I'm going in with the shade Fast Lane because it's super, super black and it's super, super dark, and I feel like that's gonna be my base. That's what I'm gonna do. Put it right in my crease. Oh my god, do we have to do both eyes? I didn't think about this. I think we have to do both eyes.
Yeah, you do.
Oh my god. I didn't think this through all the way. Oh my god. I didn't think about it. Usually I say, let's just go off camera and do the other eye.
Oh, we can.
No, we got 10 minutes. It's whatever you look. I'm gonna look so busted. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna do both eyes at the same time. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my... Already? A minute has passed? Oh my god. This is hard.
Oh shit.
I don't know how I feel about this anymore. Oh my god. Time is going so fast. Jesus. Literally, there's a crease in my eyelid, and I can't get the color pigment in the crease. This is since I'm fat. How's it going over there?
Oh, she's alright.
She's alright? Oh my god. Okay. I need to like... I need to blend this out a little bit. So I'm going with this like theme of darkness because, like I said, we're watching Sabrina, and there's something about.
Excuse you, sir.
Running out of time. Don't worry about what I'm doing. I don't know why, but something about like the darkness and stuff really like intrigues me. It's very interesting to me. Shoot, I forgot what I was gonna do after this. Oh my god, this is as far as I got. Where's my other palette? I think I'm gonna go into the Sabrina palette now, and I want to do like a little bit of red on the outside, but I wanted it to be glittery. I thought there was red glitter in here. Oh, it's too late. Can't go back. It's too late. Oop! Don't fuck it up. Oop! Don't mess it up.
Bitch,
You get back in the camera.
Bitch, I'm not left-handed. I'm glad I'm not left.
I feel like I've already done a look like this in a way.
5 minutes? Oh shit.
Oh, we have 7 minutes and 19 seconds left.
Oh, bitch.
I feel like I've kind of already done like a black and red look on my Instagram, but I'm gonna still do it again anyways. Ask me if I care.
Now I'm going to shake down some palette. Oh, girl, you going fast, honey.
I know, because we only got 7 minutes left. That's why. You better hurry up. You better figure your life out.
Oh, girl. Tried it.
Oh my god, I need to blend these together. Oh my god. I don't know why, but this red is coming out purple. Here we go. If you remember from all my other videos, I always look like I have a black eye. Here we go. Round 2, black eyes. I don't know how I feel about this. Black eyes? Black eyes left and right. Here we go. I don't understand why it's coming out purple. It's not supposed to be coming out purple. Girl, you better hurry up. You better hurry up. Hurry up. You don't got a lot of time. You're running out.
Girl, shut up.
You shut up. I feel like when I get to my left eye, I'm not coordinated. It doesn't look as good as my right one.
That's what I'm saying.
And I'm having the most difficult time blending this together. I'm gonna use this brush. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna use it. I'm running out of time. Don't forget, you still gotta do a lip too.
Oh, bitch.
You got 5 minutes and 50 seconds left. Nope, that's not the right brush. I don't need that one either. Oh my god, I can't do this. This is getting too difficult. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe this one. This one. This other eye I'm doing looks so patchy.
Oh, so patchy.
Oh, all of a sudden now it wants to be red. Now it wants to come out red. I can't be doing this. We should do like, you know, like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire has like lifelines. I should be like, I'll give you $5 to not do your makeup for 2 minutes.
Ooh, girl.
Would you take my $5?
No.
Why not?
Because I won't.
Rude.
Never been rude, Miss Lily. 4 minutes.
4 minutes and 58 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not coming out any way that the way I wanted it to come out. Oh my god, I was gonna go on something sparkly, now I don't know where it went. Oh, I was gonna use the new palette, the Bloodlust. Give me it.
Oh, yeah.
You would not be a good person on a game show.
No.
You're helping your competitor. Not supposed to do that. Oh my god. I'm just taking the executioner on my finger and I'm just like patting this into the eyelid because I just want some shimmer and some sparkle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe my finger can help me blend this together. Oh my god. I forgot I have to do the under eye too. Oh my god, I'm trying to do too much in the little time that I have. We literally have 4 minutes and I have to do my lips still.
I do too, bitch.
Oh my god, okay. Take your palette back. I don't want it. Oh my god, what am I doing with the under eye? I'm gonna be so mad if I don't get to do the lip. I'm gonna be so mad. So mad.
Oh shit, we got 3 minutes.
Oh god, 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Oh my god, open up the screen of palette. What am I doing? What am I doing? What are we doing under the eye? What are we doing under the eye? I'm gonna do Mortals, something green? Maybe something green, yeah. Frog legs. I'm going to frog legs. Oh my god. There's so much fallout under my eye. I don't have time to wipe it off. I don't like that brush. I don't want that brush. Oh my god. I should have let us pick brushes before we did this.
Oh girl, she's black.
I could have told you that.
Oh
my god. I look like a tore up mess. 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes.
Oh, bitch, she look like a black eye.
I told you! You're so rude. I hate you. I don't know what's going on. I know. There's so much fallout. The black and like purple have like fallen under my eye and I'm just smearing it with this green. This is hard.
Oh shit, 2 minutes.
2 minutes and 38 seconds. Oh my god, I don't have a lip on. Oh my god, I look like a mess. Okay, I'm done. Okay, putting it down. I gotta go to my lips. Where's mine? This one's the one I was gonna use. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why my lips look like that? Oh yeah, I'm having a drink. Oh my god. Oh my god. You have 2 minutes left. Literally 120 seconds. Right? That's 2 minutes, 60 seconds in a minute. 220 seconds. 120. 120.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. 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 Huh. I'm like Tina from Bob's Burgers. Huh. 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 A minute and a half.
Oh shit, girl.
Yeah, hurry up.
I don't know how people do this challenge.
I made it up. I don't even know if it's a real thing.
It is.
It is a real thing?
Yeah, it's on RuPaul's Drag Race. Everybody do their makeup under like 5 minutes.
I don't know if I believe you.
Bitch, look it up.
I will. Ooh, you know what I want to add to this is some red. Oh my god, I literally have a minute left. I need red. Red. Not red? This red? Oh my god. I have too many reds. Glitter goals, glitter goals, glitter goals. Ah! This looks terrible. I'm not doing it. 44 seconds. 44 seconds. 44 seconds.
Ooh, girl, 30 minutes.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Look at these eyes. You watch. You watch.
She's picked me to it, honey. Oh shit, 19.
19 seconds. 19 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is giving me so much anxiety. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Shut up, bitch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Don't just put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Girl.
Okay,
Ooh.
shut up. Stop. Done. Done. Okay. Timer's done. Turn it off. Turn it off. So we're gonna get a little closer look and see about. Let me see.
Oh, bitch, what's going on with this hair?
What's going on with you? You looking like an agate. So these are our finished looks after 10 minutes.
Oh, she look weird.
You look a little more than weird. I'll tell you that right now.
Oh, look at.
Okay, how about you do a little close up? Get in there a little closer. Ooh, look at. Wait, back up a little bit. Back up. Back up. Right.
Oh,
Wait,
girl, what is going on with
Look,
this?
show them the lips. Show them the lips. Show them the eyes. Show them the eyes. What were you trying to go for? What kind of
I don't know. It's spooky.
spooky? You damn right, you spooky. If I saw you out in the darkness, ooh, girl, I'd be gone.
She got the wrong one though. I know that.
Okay, let me see. Okay, this is what I was trying to do, like a black on the bottom, and it was supposed to be red, but it came out purple.
It looks red from here, from far away, but it looks purple away.
It is. It looks hella purple. And I tried to do a green under the eye, but because I was running out of time, I look like, if I were a witch, I look like a witch that would be living on the streets. I'll tell you that right now. I'll be a homeless witch.
Ooh, cool.
Okay, so I will be makeup. Was it makeup A? Do makeup A. I am makeup A.
I'm
so
making D, honey.
I makeup A. So if you like makeup A, I don't know. There's like a poll or something. Can we vote in the comments? In the comments
Bring
down
it
below.
down.
Put it in the comments who won makeup A or JJ, me, or makeup B, Rasbusha.
She's a hot mess right now, but
Let me see. I feel like. Let me see. Look at me. Look at me. I feel like for your first time, and again, only having 10 minutes, I'll give it to you. I'll give it. Your lips look good though. All right, you guys. Thank you again for coming and watching this challenge that we did. I'm just gonna call it the 10-minute challenge. That's it.
it
10
like
10
minutes.
minute challenge. That's what it's gonna be called. Okay, glitter all over me.
Everywhere.
So, thank you guys again for watching my videos, and thank you so much for coming to this YouTube channel. So make sure you click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and like this video. And I'm gonna link all of Rasbusha's her Instagram or Snapchat on the description below, so you can follow her and her mess of whatever she got going on in her life.
A mess going on here.
So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.